Okay. Good morning, everyone. Uh, Sandesh, screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible, sir.
Visible and voice is also clear. Okay, no problem. Good
Yes.
morning, everyone. In the previous class, we have completed this problem. Yes or no? I request as usual everyone to give reply. The last time we have completed this example. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sunil, yes, okay. I request everyone to give response. Okay, that is the only media for me to understand whether you have done, you are listening to me or not. Okay, na? Okay. So next example is this one. Okay, what is that? Ninth problem. Slowly, first problem we do slowly because last problem we have solved it on a Thursday. So 3 days gap is there. So now we will solve slowly. First problem. Second one, we will do it in a faster way. Okay, na? First problem, can you read what is that given here? This problem, estimate the quantity. Is it visible there? Now, clear? Can you read out these things? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear,
Okay,
sir.
on the screen numbers are visible now. Estimate the quantity of earthwork for a road of 12. 12 meter means what? It is capital B. It's the width. Okay, now. So width with the following data using midsection. Using midsection means which one you have to calculate? You have to calculate DM, midsection. It is not a mid area method. It's a midsection method. D you need to calculate small d's, and small d's next is DM, that is mean depth you have to calculate. So chainages they have given 14 to 22. It is RL of the ground they have given. Now the road formation is proposed to be a uniform falling gradient. Means what? Uniformly it is going downward like this. It is going downward. Okay now. So 1 in 200. 1 in 200. So that means you need to deduct something. You need to deduct something because it is a falling gradient passing through a chainage of 14. Means what? From 14 it is going. Okay na? From 14 it is going. Means what? RL of the formation is not given, but they have indirectly telling. What do you mean by indirectly telling? It is starting from chainage 14 means RL of the chainage is also, RL of the formation at this chainage is also 1 at 8. In the previous problem, they generally used to give, what is that? The formation level is at this chainage is this much. From there you need to calculate it. Okay, na? But in this case, they are telling that it is starting from chainage 14. Means what? The formation level here is same as that of ground, Okay, na? And each chainage 30 meter. Okay, side slope 1.5 is to 1. That means yes is 1.5 in cutting, 2 is to 1 in banking. So yes is equal to 2 in banking. Okay na? The rate of earthwork in filling and cutting are 180 rupees per cubic meter and 120 respectively. As usual, first column, what we need to do? First column, we'll just do it. RL of the formation, these things we are going to do. Okay na? I need to copy this one so that it will be understood for you. Okay. Ninth problem. Okay. First, simply I will paste these things. Okay. I will reduce the size. Okay. First, I should write chainage. Yes, na? Chainage is not given. So let us insert one more column here. One more column. One more column. This is also chainage. So first, I will write the numbers 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, na? Can you tell me in meters what I should write? First one.
0, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. First, you should write 0 there. Okay, na? Okay. 1 second. 0. What I should add here?
30, sir.
30.
30 or 20?
Sir, 30, sir.
30. So
30, sir.
30, sir.
very
30.
good. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Okay, na? 210. Okay, na? 240. Okay. Now, now this is a chainage. Now RL of ground. So I will write RLG because it is confusing. No. So RL of formation, RLF. Now I will write these two things. What I should write? RL of ground 108.6, 109.25. Okay, na? 109.4, 108.85, 108.5, 107.25, 106.8, 107.15, and 107.20. These are the RLs of ground, RLG. Now, from the data, we can easily understand that the chainage 14 is what is that? The road formation is proposed to be uniform falling gradient 1 in 200 passing through at chainage. That means from chainage 14, the RL of formation is also same. That means this data is, we can see in the previous problem, generally this value would have been given like 109, 106, like that they generally given in the previous examples. But in these examples, indirectly they are telling that it is passing through chainage 40. That means RLG, RLF both are same at chainage 40. That means 0 meter chainage. Now, next thing is RLF for the next chainages, you need to calculate how they are telling it as 1 in 200 downward gradient. 1 in 200 is in downward gradient. So how much it should be deducted from this value, that you should do by this example. 1 in 200, that is 1 in 200. What is the interval, chainage interval? 30. That is a 30 interval. So 1 divided by 200 into 30. So 0.15 you need to deduct from each RLF from the previous one. 0.15 drop. 0.15 drop. That means it is in minus. It is in minus. So that is why 108 downward gradient. So how much is the downward gradient? 1 divided by 200 into 30. What is this 30? Each chainage is 30. So that means 0.15. Is this a step clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here see, next RLF is obtained by previous RLF minus, because it is a falling gradient or it is a downward gradient. How much you should minus? This much from every. If they have given a rising gradient, if they have given falling gradient badly, if they have given a rising gradient, then you should add that one. Okay, na? But in this case, it is falling gradient. So previous RLF minus this. So it is a 108. So next RLF, how to do that one? Same thing, because it is the falling gradient. Here also 1.5, 0.15 you should do minus. So here also previous minus this, like this. You should go. Is that okay for everyone? So I am copy pasting all these things. The same formula can be used here also. Okay, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. This is a falling gradient. So I will write falling, F-A-L-L-E-N-G, falling gradient. That should be minus. Okay, na? Okay. Next step, as usual, depth. How much excavating depth? How much cutting depth? General formula is RLF minus RLG. That one you should you should always keep it in your mind. Okay, na? RLF minus RLF minus, what is that? RLF minus RLG. Okay, na? So why it is 0? Because both RLs are same. So same formula is used. So there also you can do it. Is that okay? Yes or no? Now,
Yes, sir.
from here you can easily understand something is in negative, some values are in positive. What do you mean by that one? Can anyone tell me? Up to this chainage, up to
Link and cutting,
120, up to 120 chainage.
So negative
you
is
need to-
cutting, sir.
Cutting. Very good, very good. So negative value means it is cutting. Positive values means it is embankment or filling. But suddenly minus 1.5 is there, suddenly plus 0.6 is there. That is not correct. No, at the somewhere it should be 0. Somewhere it should be 0. That point, 0 point is what? From there, cutting to filling. Cutting to filling. That chainage you should find out. That chainage you should find out. In the starting problems, example 1 and example 2, in that this difficulty was not there because all depths were cutting or all depths were filling. Okay, na? So that time this problem, this type of difficulty was not there. But in this case, suddenly the depth is changing negative to positive. That means there must be some distance which is 120 and 150 in between. Maybe 130, maybe 135, maybe 140, where the depth is 0. Where the depth is 0, that means from that point, the chainage is shifting from cutting to filling. From cutting to filling. So how to find out that one? Using this diagram. So I will draw that diagram. How to draw? Let us see. Where is that diagram? In the previous problem, it is drawn like this. I will tell. Okay, no? Can you see this type of a problem? Can you see this type of a problem? Okay, na? Can you understand this one? Now, in this problem, I will enlarge this one. In this problem, I will enlarge. See here, this should be reverse. In our problem, it should be reverse. I'm just checking whether that type of drawing is there. Let us not waste time here. Try to understand this point. Try to understand this point. At 400 chainage, it is 0.4 filling. At 500 chainage, it is 1 meter cutting in this problem. But in our problem, what I should write here? What I should write? At 120 chainage, 0.15 is cutting. Understand this problem? 120 chainage, 0.15 is the cutting. And at 150 chainage, 0.6 is the this one. So I can use this one thing. Insert shapes. Okay, like this I can draw. This is standard. Okay, and another one I think draw like this. Okay, okay, na? And another side I can draw like this. Okay, at this point, chainage is how much? Can anyone tell me? Let us say it is initial point. How much? Chainage. Very good. At this point, chainage is 120 and its depth is 0.5. 0.5. That is why I have shown it downward direction. And what is this chainage?
150, sir.
150. And its depth is plus 0.6. That is why I have shown above. That is why I have shown above. Okay, na? So now I will draw this type of line. Okay. At some point, the depth D is equal to 0. So let us mark this distance as X, and this distance, how much I should mark? Total chainage is 30. If this is X, this should be
X
minus X.
X minus 30 or
30 minus X.
30 minus X.
30 minus X.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅವ ಬಹಳ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು 30 minus X. Okay, so using triangle, what I can write? X divided by 0.5 is equal to 30 minus X divided by 0.6. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Every understood this point? So this is how much?
0.5, sir.
0.5, and this distance is 0.6.
0.6.
0.6. Okay, now so X divided by 0.5. Okay, I have written equal to 30 minus X divided by 0.6. Solving this, you will get 13.65. Solving this, you will get what? X equal to 13.65. That means from here to here, 13.65, their depth is changing. Means negative to positive is changing. So this is zero depth. This is zero depth. All have you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so what is the chainage? You need to add 120 plus this 13.65.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, na? So I will write blank. So 122, how much? 120 plus 13.65. So that is the chainage, 133.65. Is that okay? Now next, at this, what I should write the depth there? You tell me.
0, sir.
Very good. Should write it as 0. Very good. So I will highlight this with yellow color because at this chainage, this is like this. Okay, na? Next, mean depth I should write now. What is the mean depth? This plus this divided by 2. Okay, so I will write here. You should not write anything. Okay, na? Here it should be blank because you are taking average. That means open the bracket. This plus this divided by 2. 0.4, correct? Na? The same thing I can use here also. This plus this divided by 2. Okay, na? So like that I can do it for all the things. All the things. This is not 0.6. This is related to diagram. Okay. Okay, na? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Next is what? Our final formula is what for cross-sectional area? BDM plus SDM square. Correct or not? Final
Yes,
formula. Final formula for cross-section. If you see the theory part in the
Yes,
first
sir.
class, you have seen what is this area? No, BD plus SD square into L will give volume. First area we need to find area BD plus SD square. B is the width. D in this case is DM. In our case is DM. SD square. S is the side slope. In cutting is different. In filling is different. Okay, na? D is again DM. DM square. Okay. Now we are going to do that one. We are going to do that one. B is 10. That is constant. Correct? Insert. So I will write B here. So what is the value of B? 10. So I will just simply write 10 here. Okay, na? So this into this, I have to write it in this column. This is a like this. Correct? Everyone is following? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the area of a rectangle. That formula splitted, no? BDM plus SDM square. Okay, na? So like that, I am using that one. Is that okay? So again, here some things are in negative, some things are in positive. Okay. Similarly, SDM square. What is S? What is S given in the question? 1.5 in cutting, 2 in banking. So I have to do separate. So that is why I will insert one more column which is there for yes. In cutting it is how much? Just now we have seen. In cutting it is
1.5.
1.5, sir.
so wherever negative signs are there, I will be cutting. Correct? Na? After this point 133, after that everything is in positive. So it is in cutting. Sorry, it is in filling. What is that? Filling, yes. Value of
2,
yes.
sir.
2, sir.
2. Very good. Okay, na? So now this column is yes into dm square. Yes into, it is not dm2, it is yes d square. Yes dm square. Okay. So yes into dm. Okay. So this into this. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this, I have to drag. But in my calculation, it should be in negative, no? But formula and all, it is making something. So that is why I will put some minus sign for my understanding. Okay, na? But that has to be done only up to this. Is that okay? All this is cutting, all this is filling. Is that okay? Now, formula is what? BD plus SD square. BD plus SD square. So, BD plus SD square, that is your area. That is your area. So, what I will do? This plus this is equal to, so I have to drag. I have to drag. Is that okay? Is that okay for
Yes,
everybody?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Formula is correct, no? SD square or SD only? You see anything? BD plus SD square, no? Correct. BD plus SD square only. BD plus SD square only. Correct, no? Yes or no? Formula
sir.
is correct. Very good. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Formula is correct. Okay, na? This is about area. We have to multiply with the length, no? Respective length, no? Okay. What is the chainage for this? 30.
30,
Next
sir.
is 30. Next is 30. Next is 30. But for what this I should write?
13.65, sir.
Very good. 13.65. Next I should write 30 or something different is there?
Sir, we have to minus 30 minus 13.65.
Because in total 30 chainage, 13.65 is in cutting. The remaining, what is that remaining? How to write remaining? 13 minus 30 minus 13.65. That is the remaining. That if you add these two, it will give 30. Okay, na? So this much length you have to do filling. This much length you have to do cutting, like that. The remaining three chainages are 30, 30, 30. Is that okay? Now I will do like this. I will do this. This is also V, this is also V. I will do it in a separate columns. Okay. Area into this. I will do it like this. So only negative values in one column, and next only positive values in another column, into this. Into this. So what is this area? What is this volume? Can you see? Can you click this one? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you see the textbook answer, it is different, or I will say it is wrong. Why you have to identify and tell me? Something somewhere it is wrong. They have given cutting as 1168. Our quantity is 990. Cutting. Filling 626 is our volume, but in their filling is 738. Why this is different? Something somewhere they have done wrong. You have to tell me. Something somewhere they have done wrong. You have to tell me. Where is that? Can you see this formula? Can you see this formula?
Yes, sir.
And in any other problem we will see. In any other problem we will see. What is that formula? Now you will see here. The previous problem. In somewhere which we have solved correctly, and the book answer was also correct. Can you see here? BDM plus SDM square. Present problem, BDM plus SDM. Something is wrong, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
They have not squared
They
it.
have not taken square here. Okay, no? Remaining everything is correct only, but they have not taken square. So that is why they are getting different answer or wrong answer. But procedure is same. Okay. At the last stage, given rates, you need to multiply. Banking separate rate, cutting separate rate. You need to multiply and you will get one amount. And you need to add contingency 3% to this amount and 2% work charge establishment to this amount. So again, this plus this plus this, you will give total amount. Total they will going to give amount. All have you understood this problem?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone
sir.
has understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this many columns will not come in when you people are solving, because for easy calculation and easy understanding for the students, I have done in so many columns. Okay, na? But when you're doing it with the calculator in one step, you can do it easily. Very important point here is one is a point of change, where change is there from cutting to this one. And very important, lot of students will forget what is that. They will multiply with only one value to all the things. There also chances of mistakes. Okay, na? Okay. If you concentrate on these points, everything is simple mathematics. Okay. Now, okay, in this example, they have mentioned that there is a vertical drop. What do you mean by vertical drop? When we read, we will understand. See here. Estimate a quantity of earthwork between chain age 10 to 16 measured with the standard 20-meter chain. Okay, na? So they have given chain age and they have given existing RLG. So in 13 chain age, there is a 2 RLs they have given. They have given 2 RLs. Okay, na? That means at the same point, there is depth continuous vertical drop in that vertical drop. That means you should understand in the cross section, it is appearing like this. Can you see this diagram? See here. This is your formation line that will be there. Can you see from this point to this point, sudden change in RL is there? Can you identify?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the things are below RLG, if the things are below the formation line, then this all things are banking. Means you are filling something, na? You are filling because your formation line is above and your existing RL of ground are below. That means you need to fill. So that is why it is written like this: 0.4, 0.96, 1.1, 0.9. These are depth of filling. But at this point, filling is also there and cutting is also there. So that is why particular point has a vertical drop. It is called as vertical drop. At what chain age? At the chain age of 13. Okay, at the chain age of 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is why 13 chain age, RL of the ground 1 point and RL of the ground they have given 2 points. Okay, na? So similarly you have to do. So this is all the things are coming above the formation line. This is your formation line which is coming above the formation line. That means you need to cut. Formation line is nothing but proposed line. It is something but proposed. So proposed line is always with the uniform slope. Existing ground conditions are like this. Okay, na? So above cutting, below filling or banking. So that is why banking only 4 values have been given up to here. When you see cutting, they have given from here to here. These things they are not going to write like this. Okay, only on this problem. Whether this explanation of the diagram is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Formation level at chain age 10. That means they have given, okay, 88.50. The road has the rising gradient, means upward gradient. You should add, no? In the previous case, it was falling gradient. Correct? Here, it was a falling gradient. So that is why you have deducted. But in this case, it is the rising gradient. That's why you should add. Okay, na? How much? 1 in 100. 1 in 100. Okay, na? The formation width is 10 meter, capital V. Side slope 1:1 in cutting. S is equal to 1 in cutting, and banking 2:1. That means S equal to 2 in banking. Draw the longitudinal section also. Okay, we'll start doing this one. Just I will do. Please simply sit and watch it carefully. Okay, na? So I will copy this thing. copy, paste. Now, chainage I will write from here. What is the chainage? 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, I have to write 13. Why? Because they have two chainages. Sorry, 2 RL. 2 RL. This is very important. This is very, very important. Okay, na? Okay. Next chainage is 14. Next chainage is 15. Next chainage is 16. Is that okay? This point is clear. This point
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, what I should write it in meters? 0. Interval of chainage is can anyone
20.
tell me? 20 plus 20 plus 20 means 40. Next is 60.
40.
I should leave this one and I should write 80 and I should write 100 and I should write last one
120.
120.
120.
Okay, na? 120. Correct. This one I am leaving because at the same chainage you cannot have two distance. Only change will be in ground condition here. I should leave. I am leaving this one. Okay, na? So ground conditions. RLG 88.1, 87.74, 87.8, 88.2 at the same chainage again 90.4, 90.75, 90.2, 89.98. Just to simply watch carefully, don't do all those things. Okay. Formation level, what they have given formation level, initial point at the chainage 10. Can anyone tell me?
88.5.
Very good. RLF, the formation is 88.5. And the next is raising gradient or falling gradient?
Rising.
Rising gradient. So how to add rising gradient to the previous one? What value? Can you see here? So they have given 1 in 100. Rising gradient of 1 in 100. So 1 divided by 100 into, what is the chainage interval? 20. What is the chainage interval? 20. 1 in 100 into chainage interval 20. So every time for every chainage you should add 0.2 meter. So that is why they have given rise. In the previous case it was drop. In this example it is rise. So 0.2 I should add to the previous one. For everything I should add previous one. Correct? Now, very important, just I will do like this. 88.5 plus 0.2. That is okay. Here, this is also okay. Here, this is also okay. Now, whether I have to do it or not do it. Here, what I should do? RL of the formation. What I should do?
Falling, sir.
Huh?
Madward, sir.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು?
ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋಕೆ?
No. Formation level here is not changing. Why? Can you see this diagram? There is change in ground condition. Formation level is changing. It is uniformly. No. At this point, whether two formation levels are there or only one formation level will be there.
So one. Yes, sir.
Now, see here, formation level here is 88.5. Next here plus 0.2. Next year plus 0.2. Next year plus 0.2. But we need to do only once plus 0.2. You can have two RLF or only one RLF here. Here.
So one.
Only one RLF but two RLG. Two ground RLs, but formation level will be the same. So that is why when you come to this, you have added this. That is okay. But you should not add here. You should add only 0 there. Should not add only 0 there. That means when you drag here, the previous and this value will be same. Why? The formation level is not changing at the same chainage, but ground condition it is changing. That means in RLF, this and this will be same because same chainage. Same chainage. Because at this chainage, the RLF is not changing. Only RLGs are changing. Okay, na? So that is why I have added 0 to make the same value. The remaining thing plus 0.2 is same. Remaining thing plus 0.2 will be the same. Is that okay now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, as usual, this where I should do here, no? Okay. Depth. What is the depth? RLF minus RLG. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
These things are coming in negative, so I will mark it with some which color? Pink color. Ranganath, ninge ya color beko?
Red, sir.
Red. Red. Valentine's Day, Rose Day ಮುಂದೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಪ್ಪ. ನಿಂದು 8th ಸೆಮ್ ಮುಗಿದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಏನಾರ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡೇ ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದೋಸ್ತ ನೀನು. ಓಕೆ 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 okay. Next is as usual mean depth. This is not dm, it is a d suffix m, d subscript m. Okay na? Subscript ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ತೆಳಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕದ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ದಾಗ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. dm mean depth. So this plus this divided by 2. Chiam. Bracket open, this plus this divided by 2. Okay, everyone.
Yes,
So
sir.
I drag it.
Yes, sir.
This is also pink color. Now color. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next is B into DM. What is the width they have given? Width of the road.
10 meter.
How much?
10 meter.
How much? Where they have given formation width 10.
10 meter.
Very good. This is a rectangle portion. This is a triangle portion. So 10. These things will be blank. Because it is an average one. No. So top row I have to give it blank. Only from next I have to do. So here I will write 10. 10 is common to all. So 10. So this is this into this. Okay. Yes, sir. So I will drag it like this. I will drag it like this. Something wrong or correct? Everything is correct. Check somewhere something we have done wrong. Okay, what is yes for this one? In cutting, in filling.
So for filling it's 2, sir.
2. For this, I will write 2. This I am writing it 2. And the next things I have to write
1, sir.
1. Okay, next is yes into d square. This into this into this. Okay, these things are negative, so just I will put minus here. These things I am putting minus. Okay. Now what is the area? This plus this. This plus this. Okay. This is your area. Okay. Again, these things are in negative only. No problem. Just remind. So what is the chainage?
Sir, 20.
20.
Yes, sir.
20. 20. Some mistake we have done, we will rectify that one. Okay, na? We will rectify that problem. Okay. So now here volume this into this. Okay. Yes. Okay. So these things will come in cutting. Okay, this is also V, this is also V. So sum of these things, sum of these things, and sum of these things. So this is your cutting and filling. This is your cutting, and this is cutting ray, negative ray, and this is your filling or embankment. Okay. Yes or no? Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone I am asking. Everyone I am asking.
Yes,
Everyone I am
sir.
asking. Simple. No? So calculation of RLG, RLF, that is the very important there. So there only the problem, the mistakes agu chances bad. Something mistake or different answer we are getting. See here, filling 642. In their answer, filling 642. Correct. That is matching. But in cutting, minus 694 and here 656. Some additional we have done. What is that additional? This we have done. This value, if you remove, that is matching with that value. Why? 656 and that is 653. That is matching, no problem. That is matching, no problem. But now what is the point why we are adding this much extra? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess? That is correct only, because at the depth you have 1 and at this you have -2 and at this you have -2. Clear for everyone? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ?
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನ ಒಮ್ಮೆ. Okay. Okay. This is okay. 1 second. Give me 2 minutes to check the problem, whether some mistake is there or not. Somehow this quantity is not there in their problem. But step by step we have gone. No, so that will be there. That will be there. Okay, leave that. No problem. We will do it later. This problem. Till now, we have seen the formation level is horizontally straight, but longitudinally it was upward or downward direction. Okay, na? In the previous problem, what we have understood that there was a longitudinal like this. Longitudinally, it was upward or downward direction like this. Upward or downward direction like this. It is a longitudinal section. But when you see it parallel, when you see it width-wise section, it was horizontal. Why? The ground itself is perfectly horizontal in a cross section. But this type of a problem is telling that ground cross section is also sloping towards one side. Are you understanding the question here?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding? See here, the ground itself is inclined in one direction cross-sectional wise. So that is why one more slope will come, R:1. That is called as R:1. So what is this R:1? It is the what? Transverse slope. It is called as transverse slope or cross slope of the ground. So that is why generally they will give R:1. The remaining things, S:1, S:1, which are in filling. Here S:1, it is in cutting, no problem. And R:1 here also transverse slope or cross slope. Here also R:1 is transverse slope or cross slope. So this is B, this is B, which are same. Now what is this H? What is this H? Depth. You should understand it is a depth. Now don't go for derivation and all. This is the final area of that cross section. Just try to understand. It is SB square plus R square plus 2BD plus SD square, R square minus S square. This is in the numerical. R is cross slope. S is what? S is S
Side
is
slope.
side slope. Small d
Depth, sir.
depth of the cutting or depth of the filling. Now it is not capital B here, it is a small b, and here small b they have taken it as a capital B by 2. They have taken as a capital B by 2. Try to understand when it is a cross slope, but it is only one side, only one side. It is not going up, going down. Cross slope also is not going up and going down. Whether it is going up or whether it is going down. So this is why it is called as a uniform cross slope. Okay, uniform cross slope. R is to 1. Okay, so small b is equal to capital B by 2, where capital B is, as usual, it is a formation width. As usual, it is a formation width. And this is in the cross section only. One side it is filling, one side it is filling, one side it is cutting. This type of problem, I don't think they will come for your exam. It is very difficult, but you can expect this. You can expect this, and whatever we have solved the previous problem. Okay, na? So first we are going to solve this one. What is this? Example 11. Example 11. What is that? The ground levels at various chainages they have given directly. Distance, chainage. Okay, na? Their existing ground conditions they have given. Okay, na? The ground has a uniform cross slope, transverse slope, 1 in 8. So that means R is equal to how much? Small r is equal to how much? Can anyone tell me? Small r is equal to Sandesh. Hello, Varsha madam. Is it audible? Can anyone tell me, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why other people are
Yes,
quite
sir.
okay. Please, I am asking the question. No, if cross slope is 1 in 8, that means small r is equal to how much? Varsha, Teju.
Yes, sir.
How much? Small r is equal to?
8, sir.
Small r is equal to 8. Very good. Small r is equal to 8. The chainage is 30-meter long. The road formation is proposed to be uniform gradient passing through ground level. At end chainage means what? At the starting, whatever RL is there, no, that is also formation RL. At the end, whatever RL is there, no, ground RL, that is the formation RL. I hope you have understood now. What they are telling, the road formation is proposed at uniform gradient passing through ground level. At where and where? At end chainage. At what are the chainage? End chainage. So end means what? Start and end. So this is also your formation level, and this is also your formation level. I hope you have understood this point. Everyone I am asking, please reply.
Yes, sir.
When I do the tabular column, no, that time this point is very, very critical there. This point will be very, very critical that time. Okay. So they have not mentioned formation level separately, but they are telling that formation level is passing through end chainage. That means whatever RL of the ground is there, no, at the start and at the end, both are formation level at that points. Now width is 8. That means capital B is 8. What will be the small b? Sunil Hosur. What will be the small b? Sunil Hosur. What will be the small b? Venkatesh Tadmi. What will be the small b? Shravan. What will be the small b? Sanju. Small b. Okay, Teju madam, what will be the small b?
Sir, 30 meters.
Small b, I am telling, not capital B. They have given formation, formation width 8 meter, but I am asking small b. So
Four,
try
sir.
to listen to me very carefully. Hmm? That is what I am telling. Pay the attention. Why you are not at all paying the attention? Pooja, Prerna, Ranjana, Rohit SJ. Whether you are paying attention correctly or not.
Yes, sir. Well,
Yes, sir.
Prerna madam. Prerna.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೌ
ಸರ್.
yes, okay, for all I am telling. Okay na? So formation width capital B is equal to 8 meter. Small b, we should understand it is a 4 meter, 8 by 2. Side slope in cutting 1:1. That means S is equal to 1 in cutting. So that means it is cutting only. They are not given banking. So we'll start doing this. What is the first one? Chainage. Okay. So what I should write chainage? 0, 30, 60, 90, 120. Okay na? So here next is what? RLG. Railway of ground. RL of ground. Yenadu? Prerna madam, can you tell me next RLs? Fast. Next RL fast. Can you anyone tell me? Prerna madam, what happened to you?
183.36, sir.
Very good. 183.36. Prerna madam, are you there or are you not there? Just tell me. If you are listening, then okay, no problem. Ranjana Nayak, can you tell me next RL?
186.7.
186.7. Swati Davdi, next RL. Swati Davdi is not there. Varsha Dhoni, next RL.
186.7.
At 90 meter chainage, 186.7. What is the last RL, Shravan? Last RL?
186.50.
186.50. Okay. Now, from the given condition, RLF, they are telling that the RLF is passing through ground level at end chainage. At this also same. Okay na? At this also same. Whatever RLG is there, no, we have to write it like the same thing. That is the given condition. Now, how much we should minus, how much we should add, they have not given. They have not given. Try to understand this concept is very important now. They have not given how much to minus, how much to add, how much to deduct. They have not at all given. Okay na? But one you understand. Initially 180, at the end 186. Now, RL of formation is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing, sir.
RL of formation is increasing. That means it is a rising gradient or falling gradient, Varsha?
Rising gradient, sir.
Rising gradient. Okay, Varsha, only tell me. So whether we need to add in these things or we need to deduct in these things as the next column?
So we need to add.
Very good. Now, how much to add, we should calculate like this. How much to add, we should calculate like this. Okay, now insert, just I am drawing. So here, like this, I will draw because it is a rising gradient. Here, how much? 180.5. Okay, now here, how much it is there? 186.5. Okay, now end RLF. From this, can you tell me what is the gradient now? What is the gradient? How to calculate the gradient? From here to here, they have given RLs, no? From here to here, what is the chainage? What is the chainage? Can anyone tell me?
30 meters, sir.
No. Here it is 0. Here it is 120. So total chainage is
120.
120.
very good. So total chainage, see here, initial 0 chainage, final chainage is 120. So the total length is 120 minus 0. How much? 180. Correct? Yes or no? Okay. Now I will write RL here. What is the RL? At 0 meter 180.5, and here I will write 186.5. Yes or no? Okay. Here RL, this is RL. Here it is chainage. Just for your calculation. Just for your calculation. Okay, na? Now here this is the total length, that is this minus this. What should be the total RL? Total RL difference, this minus this, correct
6,
or
sir.
not? Very
6.
good. Are you understanding this point?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding this point? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means if you move 120 meter in this direction, you will get 6 meter elevation. If you move 120 meter in this direction, you will get 6 meter height difference. You will get 6 meter height difference. If you move 120 meter, you will get 6. So for every 1 meter, how much you should get? If you divide it by 6 only, this divided by 6, this divided by 6. Again,
20, sir.
are you
20.
understanding? Yes or no?
Yes,
Fine,
sir.
2 meters, sir.
Your
Yes, sir.
gradient, your formation level gradient is 1 in 20. Your formation level gradient is 1 in 20. That means if you move 20 meter, then you will get 1 meter height difference. So each chainage is how much? Each chainage is how much? 30, no? So 1 divided by 20 into 30. How much it is coming? We have converted this one into standard now according to
1.5.
now for every 20 it is 1 meter. So for every 30 meter, how much?
1.5 meters.
1.5.
5.
So this is your rising or falling?
Rising, sir.
So
Rising,
1.5, 1.5, I'm writing it here. 1.5, I'm writing it here. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
next
Yes,
step
sir.
is same. This plus this equal to this plus this. Yes, correct. This plus this. Correct. Now, if you add this plus this, you will get this one only. Yes or no? If
Yes,
you
sir.
add 185 plus
Yes, sir.
1.5, you will get 186.5. From there only
Yes, sir.
we have derived. From there only we are doing that. Okay, this is rising gradient. Is that okay, Varsha madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Now try to understand here. Try to understand in the formula what are the parameters. Area, I want area, Baba. In the previous example, BD plus SD square. How was that formula? No, for in this case, these are all the parameters. These are all the parameters. SBR, SBR and D. SBR and D. So first what I am doing is just simply I will write S, small b, R, and next what I should write? D. All the 4 things I am writing so that for calculation you can make it. What is the S? What is yes in the question?
1, sir. 1.
One. They should give, it is filling, because cutting means we are not getting any negative. No. How
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ranjana, Rohit,
Sir,
Rohit is
depth ಒಳಗೆ negative ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. Yes, sir.
ಹೌದಾ ನೋಡೋಣ ತಡಿ. ಹೌದಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. I will write D.
Depth negative ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, sir.
RLF minus RLG. Oh. Ranganath, congratulations. You are very alert. Okay. Okay. So that means they are given correct only. So I was thinking this one as the depth. Okay. So they are giving this one as the depth. Correct, na? Okay. So what is yes? One for all. Okay. Now what is B? 8 by 2. Correct, na? So I will write 8 by 2. Understand? So what is 8 by 2? Varsha?
4, sir.
4. Very good. Okay. What is a small r for everything? Teju? Small r?
Sir, 8 meters.
8 meter. Okay, na? So I will copy and paste 8 meter. Rohit SJ, what is D? Same thing, no? Minus 1.36. I'm writing it once again, that's all. Okay, so these are the 4 parameters. So use this formula. Use this formula. Where is that formula? This formula. SB square plus R square plus into 2BD. Okay, na? And R square minus S square. So according to that, I am doing the formula here. Just I will write numerator in this one. Numerator in this one. What is that? Equal to. Okay, please pay attention. SB square. Yes. B square. This into this. One bracket complete. Plus R square. This into this. Okay, na? Next. So R square into something is there. What is that something? 2BD. 2BD is there. 2 into B into D. Okay. That bracket complete. Plus SD square. S into D into D. This is SD square. Now I have to carefully minus the bracket correct ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So this one more bracket I will do. Here on bracket. Here on bracket. That is one thing. And that has to be multiplied with R square. So again, here on bracket. Here on bracket. That is correct. Now SB square, that is also correct. So, okay. Now this is the numerator. Half of the problem, numerator. This will be your denominator. Denominator formula ಏನದಪ್ಪ ಅದು? Can you see? Denominator.
R square minus S square.
S square. Okay, this one we have done. So R square minus S square. R square into this into minus S square. S into yes. Okay, this. So the last one is what? A. A is what? Numerator, denominator. Divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is equal to this divided by this. Okay, 0.25. Is that okay? Yes. So I will drag this thing correct. I will drag this thing correct. I will drag this thing correct. The last column is L. So we got this one. This is nothing but length. How much? 30, 20. How much? Length is how much? Not length. You should do mean area first. You should do mean area method. Okay. So AM, mean area. So I will do it this plus this divided by 2. Next step is this plus this divided by 2. So then only mean area we can do. Only this thing. something we have done wrong. Huh? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, first ಗೆ 0 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು
ಎಲ್ಲೇ
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸರ್ 16 ಮತ್ತು
ಏ ನಾನು ರೋಸ್ ಸಿ ರೋಸ್ I have done problem. First I will delete all these things. ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲದ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ yellow color. So that problem I was facing. Okay, now this is correct. Now this is also correct. Okay, now this is also correct. So I have to drag like this. I have to drag like this. Okay, I have to drag like this. Okay, now next is this plus this. Again mistake. Some mistake is there? No.
ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸರ್
ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಯದನಾ
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್
Okay. Can anyone use this formula? Just tell me first answer. For me, Excel formulas are repeating. They are making problem. Use this one formula. Just note it down fast. This formula. Everyone. Are you everyone is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will tell one person, one formula. First, note down the formula. First, note down that formula. First, note down that formula. Everyone is note downing this formula. Everyone. Sandesh, Ranjana, Raghunath, formula ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ
ಹಾ ರೀ
ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ ರಂಜನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರಂಜನಾ have you written this formula? Okay, Ranjana will do second row, third will be done by Sandesh, fourth will be done by Sanju, the fifth one will be done by Teju and Varsha. Fifth will be done by Teju and Varsha. Okay na? Just use these things 1 2 3 4 5. Just use these things and calculate the area.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇದ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಸರ್
ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲೆ which is 0
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಐತಿ ಸರ್
ಹಾ 0 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನ್ 0 ಬರ್ತದ
ನೀವು ಇದು ಸರ್
ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 0 ಐತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದನಲ್ಲೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x² ಬರಬೇಕಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ x² ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ I will not do anything. Okay, you have to tell me. Area, cross-sectional area. Ranganath first one, second one, who was doing? Ranjana, second row. Third is Sandesh. Fourth is Sanju. Fifth is Teju and Varsha. Others also can tell me the answer, no problem, fast.
Sir,
Hmm.
Sir, first one point two five
last
three.
one is point.
Hmm.
Sir,
One
last
second.
one is 0.2539, sir.
One second, 1 second. Something problem is that we should not take a minus sign in the formula. That is what I am facing the problem here. Okay, na? So your answer you tell me, I will also do here wherever I was there. Answer from student, I will write it here. Okay, na? Who is telling now answer? First one or second one? Who is telling?
Sir, last one, sir.
Last
Sir.
one. Last one, which is
Point-
how much?
0.2539, sir.
2539. Okay. Next, Sandesh.
Sir, first one the same age, sir.
0.2539. Okay. Next. Others?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್ ತೋಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ
ನಂಗೆ ಅದ ನೀ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ ಹಂಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ
13.1856
ಎಷ್ಟು
13.1856
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸರ್
13.1856
1856
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ
36.6628
6.6628 ಓಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಪ್ಪು ನೋಡುವಂತ
$17.0057
17.0057 now I will change something in formula. What is that? We should not take d in terms of negative here. So wherever negative is there, no, just I will make positive there. My logic is that we should not consider depth in terms of negative. Okay, na? So because everything is there, I will remove minus sign. Correct. Just I will remove minus sign here. Okay, so that is the correction. Just I will remove minus sign. Now I am checking with the here also 36. Very good. Here also 17. Very good. Yes. Whether these things are matching with you?
yes sir
Matching? Matching? Now one more mistake I think I have done. No, 180, 183, 186. And 186.7. Correct. In that people, see here, they have taken here, let us pay the attention here. At 60 chainage, 186.7 they have taken ground. But what they have taken in calculation, can anyone tell me, Sandesh? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅವ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ನೋಡಿ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ
yes sir
Yes, sir.
ಇದು 186.7 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಾರ 185.52 ತಗೊಂಡಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರು ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರು ಬಹಳ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬರತೈತಿ ಒನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೌದಾ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಬಾಜು ಇಡ್ತೇನಂತ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ನಂಗೆ 100% ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಅದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಾಜು ಇಡೋಣಂತ ಹಂಗ ಇದ್ರ ಬಾಜು ಇದನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡೋಣಂತ ಏನು ಲಪಡ ಐತಿ ಓಕೆ ಈಗ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆತಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೀನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಪಟ್ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 okay 6.7 that is correct ನೋಡೋಣಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 6.724 mean area. What is the length you have to do multiply for all these things? Chainage is how much? Can anyone? 30
meters, sir.
30. Last is volume. So I will do volume. This volume is equal to mean area into its length. Okay, na? So 201. So you are getting it as this much. So total is this one. 2013.24 cubic meter is the volume, but their answer is 1503. I think if I change this one to what they have taken, 185.52, my answer should become how much? Can anyone guess? ಸಂದೇಶ ಈಗ ಸಂದೇಶ್
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ, ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ.
ಹಾ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಬರ್ಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದು?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಏನೋ ಲಫಡ ಆಗೈತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅದನ್ನ 2.02 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಈಗ ಬಂತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋದು, ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗಾಗ್ತದ ಅದು. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ 2.02 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ. ಸೊ 1533 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್, whatever they have given in the question, we have taken and solved. That is one thing. In the second part, book whatever value they have taken and we have solved. That is also correct. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next type is not there because it is too much difficult, and this problem they will not give. If time remains, at the end we will solve this one. Okay, no? So this problem we have completed, which is transverse slope. That is example 11. Okay, no? This example we have completed. Okay. Ranganath sir, are you there?
Sir.
This problem we will not do. Okay, na? This problem we will not do. We will take it later. Now this concrete problem, very simple, very simple problems. Cement concrete road. What is happening here? Estimate the. Please pay attention. Now everyone is just tell me yes or no whether you have understood the previous example or not. Clearly I am asking. Just tell me, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Baba.
Yes, sir.
Ellaru correct.
Yes, sir.
Ellaru correct ಆಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. सब लोगों को समझ में आ गया नहीं आ गया, एक बार क्लियरली बता दो ना.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया. प्रेरणा, ರಂಗನಾಥ್,
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಅದ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅವ್ರ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ,
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಂಜನಾ, ರೋಹಿತ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ರಂಜನಾ,
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಏನು ನೋಡಕತ್ತಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ?
ಹಾ ನೋಡಾತೀವ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಚಿನ್, ಸಂದೇಶ್, ಸಂಜು, 3 ಜನ. ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಶ್ರವಣ್, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್, ಶುಭಂ, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್?
No, sir. Understand, sir.
Understand. Sunil, Teju, Varsha.
Yes sir, understood sir.
Venkat Gowda, Vidya.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ವಿದ್ಯಾಶ್ರೀ ಆತ. ವಿಜಯ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೂಜಾರಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 2 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಸಬ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 20 mm thick compacted to 15. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 20ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ನೀವು 20ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಮೇಲಿನ ಐಟಮ್ ಏನದ? ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅದ. ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ 15 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಏನದಪ್ಪ? ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೋಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 5 ಮೀಟರ್. 5 ಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, width of the road is 5 meter. What is this bottom width? How much you should take bottom width? How much you should take?
15 centimeter.
Plus
0.15.
extra, plus extra here. Understood? 1 second.
Yes, sir.
I will use this one. One second. 1 second. Okay. Now this screen is visible for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
screen
sir.
is visible. Okay. Now can you 1 second? I will make it enlarge now. Okay. Now, is that okay now? Bigger and clearer?
Sir.
Okay. Now there is a first item which is concur, metal concur subgrade. Okay, na concrete road. So they have given two thickness. One is before compaction 20, another compaction 15. So to calculate the material, you should take uncompacted. So that is 20. Now to calculate this width, so you should add 5 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. So it will become 5.3. Are you getting this 5.3? So they have given length as 1 kilometer concur. So that is why 1000 meter. What is the thickness you should take? I just now told it is 0.2. Why? Uncompacted thickness you should take. Okay, na? This is supplying material. This is labor for this and this. Okay, na? Item is like this. They have split. This is material component. This is the labor component. So quantity is coming out to be same only because item is same. Concur. One is material supply, another is lay. Okay. Now next come to concrete. So for concrete, length is 1000 meter. 1000 meter. Width is 5 meter. What is the thickness? Ranjana, what is the thickness? CC 136. Cement concrete 136. What is the thickness?
15, sir.
15 centimeter. So that is why they have written 15 centimeter. So 1000 meter, 5 meter width, 15. So multiplying these three things, you will get 750 cubic meter. So this is concur material, first item. Third material is cement concrete material. In between is labor. They should not do like this. Secondly, they have supplying and laying. In that way, they should do. Okay, na? So rates, they have given three items separately. For supplying concur, material quantity and material supply rate. Second is concur quantity and its laying rate. But for third item, material quantity and labor quantity same and its rate, supply plus labor. They have given like that. This should not be in the main exam. They should tell like this. One is supply and laying combinedly they will give, or for all the items they should give supply separate, labor separate for all the items. Now each quantity rate, the last column will come, and when you add the last column, you have to add what? 3% and 2% contingency. 2% plus 2% contingency. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone has understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Can you see this next problem? Next problem, cement concrete road only. 3 items are there or 2 items are there. What are the 2 items? One is cement concrete 1:4:8, 148. That is somewhat lean concrete. This is middle layer. The top layer is rich cement concrete. What is that? CC124. CC124. 2 concrete items and one which item? One which item? The normal item, maybe kankal, okay na? Or boulders you can say. So the top item has 15 centimeter thick. The bottom item is having, we will see. If they are not given, while estimating, don't get confused. Simply write it in square meter, length into width, because those two things are given. So don't go for depth. You can always write it as this one, just square meter. Now 1:4:8, they have given depth like this. If they given a description like this, what is depth here? What is depth here? You just write it like this: 0.25 divided by 100 divided by 100. 0.25 cubic meter divided by 1000. 0.25 cubic meter for 100 square meter. So this will be your D. This will be your D. Okay na? So CC 148 using 40 mm aggregate at depth this. So its rate, one item. Second item 1:4, its depth is also given from the diagram and its rate is given. Okay na? Next, expansion joint they have given. One is longitudinal joint, another is transverse joint. I think your people are studying a payment design subject. There you have understood what are longitudinal, what are transverse joint. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, no sir. Just
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
very good. Now for cement concrete, items, two items are there. Cement concrete items, two items are there. Okay na? So for this bottom item, length is how much? 1 kilometer. Length is 1000. And for width is how much? Width 4 meter into width. And what is the depth? Depth I am writing it as 0.25 divided by 100, because they have given supply rate like this. This is this item. Okay na? This item. Second item 1000 into 4 into thickness. What is the thickness they have given?
25 to 14, 12.5.
No. Those are material sizes. What is that item size given in the cross section?
15 centimeters, sir.
That you should take 0.15. 0.15. Is that okay? This is the item 1, item 2. Now longitudinal joint, how much it should come? Longitudinal joint. How much it should come? Longitudinal joint. Whatever the road length, that much longitudinal joint, correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 1000 meter will be your longitudinal joint. Okay na? So that is why here they have given how much? 1000 meter longitudinal joint. Okay. So this is the first item, second item. Okay na? Transverse joint, what is the spacing?
10 meters, sir.
So total 1000 meter. For every 10 meter you have one transverse joint. So 1000 by 10 minus 1. So you have to deduct 1. So 99 will be your what?
Transverse joint.
Transverse joint. So one joint width is how much? One joint width.
So 4
Like
meters.
this, one joint, second joint, third joint. Each joint width is 4 meter.
4
So
meter.
that is why. So 99 numbers, 4 is the one width. So that is 396 square meter. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next is simply multiplying the rates. The next is simply items they have given. Okay na? And last one is the rates. You have to multiply. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What type of problem is this one? 3 items are there, no? What are the items?
Concrete and subgrade.
concrete 1, 2, and subgrade is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See here, in this example, I will just make you that. One is material. Like this they have given. What is that? Providing and laying and consolidation. These two are that subgrade only, that boulder only. One is providing and laying. The second one is consolidation, means for compaction. Can you see the dimensions? Same adavailable. Same adavailable. Yes or no?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर
Ah, so this and this item is same. One is for supplying and laying, another is for consolidation, and the next is concrete. Next is concrete. Just tell me. We will see from the diagram how to calculate. How to calculate now? Okay, na? Two items. We will see the answers. Can anyone do the calculation? First item we are going to do. First item we are going to do now, like this. First item we are going to do. Okay. Subgrade we are doing to. Subgrade we are going to do. This and this width are change. Okay. So that is why I am writing it. What is the width? First length BD, no? L, B, D. You have to tell me answers. Okay. You have to tell me the answers. What is the length? What is the length of the road? 1 kilometer. So I will write 1000. First is 1000. What is the width here? What is the width here? 110. 110. So 0.11. What is the depth? 18 centimeter. 0.18. 0.18. So same thing is also here. Same thing is also here. So I have to multiply with 2. So how much is this quantity? 2 into 1000 into 1.1 into 0.18.
39.6
39.6. That is first thing. Okay, na? That is first thing. Second thing. This one. That is also 1000. Width is how much? So you need to minus 1.7 minus 0.4 minus 0.4. How much?
0.9, sir.
9
0.9. What is the depth here? Depth is given as 50. Depth is given as 50. Okay.
sir 0.15 also 15 centimeters
9 ಬರ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ
0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ sir
ಇಲ್ಲ 0.15 ನಾವು ಇವ್ರು ಏನಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೊಂದು ಅನ್ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಏನಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರನವರು yes they have given like that what is that they have given extra 1/3 height you should compact so that is why what you should write 0.18 plus 0.18 by 3. This is the change depth. Here 0.15 plus 0.15 by 3. 0.15 by 3. This will be your extra depth. Now 0.18 plus 0.18 by 3. This is your next depth. 0.15 plus 0.15 by 3 is your next depth. So now give me the quantities. Has anyone doing problem?
Sir, first for compaction it is ಸರ್ ಅದು ಒಂದೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೇನು ಸರ್ 18 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.18 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.18/3
183 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ 1/3 ಹೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರಾವೆಲ್ with 1/3 height extra allowance for compaction, that means whatever depth you are seeing, no, it is after compaction. Before compaction, so extra height was there.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ 52.8 ಸರ್
52.8 or 528, check me, this is 1000. And one big mistake we people are doing, what is that? 110 centimeter means 1.1 it is correct, huh?
ಹಾ ಸರ್
Now you tell me.
$528 sir.
528 is this item. 528 is the item. Next item is
180.
next is 180. Correct. Next is 180. If you add these two things, you will get gravel. How much?
708.
708 is the gravel. Okay, na? This is gravel material. Same item will come for consolidation also. Same material will come for consolidation. Concrete, you tell me concrete. Concrete I will write L, B, D. Correct? So what is the width here? 80 centimeter means what? 0.8. What is the length? Length you should write. Length is 1000. Length is 1000. Okay, na? What is the depth? 15. 0.15. So two things are there. Here also one concrete. Here also one concrete. So I have to multiply it by 2. You tell me the answer here.
240, sir.
240.
40.
Very good. It is called as 240 cubic meter of concrete and 708 cubic meter of jelly or concrete. Okay, na? Whether you got the same thing, you just check here. You just check here. 708 correct? Okay. 204 or 240? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Very good. Very good. There the quantities are given. So 1/3 extra they are doing. 1/3 extra they are doing. 1/3 extra and 1/3 extra. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next, in the next tomorrow class we will take next problems. Now is that sufficient for everyone? Today's class.
ಹಾ sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಸಾಕ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ? ಸಾಕ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
ಸಾಕ್ರಿ sir.
ಸಾಕ ಭಾಳ ಆತನ ಇವತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆತು? ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಆತು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆತು?
ಏನು ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಯದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚಂದಂಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನೇನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಏನೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ in the list, don't leave the meeting. Don't leave the meeting. You should write your USN and name, attendance, okay, as the attendance. One by one I am asking. Prerna madam, what is your understanding in today's class? Prerna madam, are you there? Prerna madam, okay. Ranganath nindu clear aitanappa?
ಹಾ sir.
Okay. Ranjana madam,
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
all the problems, everything
ಹಾ
you
ಸರ್.
clear cut understanding?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Okay. Rohit Nayak,
हाँ सर.
सच बोलो, झूठ नहीं बोलने का.
हाँ सर.
Clear?
हाँ सर, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Okay. Sachin Deshpande,
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡು.
ಓಕೆ. ಸಂದೇಶ್ ಸಂಜು ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತನಪ್ಪ? ಹಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಂಜು
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಮಂತ್ರೇಶಿ,
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಶುಭಂ ಮಲ್ಜಿ,
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಸುನೀಲ್ ಹೊಸೂರ್ are you there or not? Okay, network problem. Okay. Teju Pattar,
Yes, sir. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದವು ನಮ್ಮ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ವೆಂಕಟ್ ಗೌಡ ದಡ್ಮಿ,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಹಾ. ವಿದ್ಯಾಶ್ರೀ ಚೌಹಾಣ್,
Yes, sir. Understanding, sir. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ವಿಜಯ್ ಬೆಳವಿ,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸರ್.
ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ,
ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
ಖರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀನು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಮ್ಮ. ಪೂಜಾರಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ನೀ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಪ್ಪ? ಹೆಸರು ಮತ್ತು USN. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯುವರ್ USN and name as attendance. Please. Tomorrow, I will tell the timing of my class. Tomorrow we will have session. Okay, na? Yes. After giving the attendance, you can leave the meeting. No problem. ರಂಗನಾಥ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಂದ್ರು. ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಹೋದಾನ? ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರಾದ್ರ? ಸಂಜು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂದೇಶ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಂದಿರಪ್ಪ, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ತಡ್ರಿ. ಸಂದೇಶ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಒಳಗ? ಸಂಜು
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದಿಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳು.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಎದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆತ?
ಆದ್ರೆ